Hey everyone, I'm Justin with AmericanTrucks.com, and today I am taking a closer look at and installing the LightBar LED taillights available for your 09 to 14 F-150 at home. Now, you should be checking out the LightBar tails if you are after one of the most aggressive looking options available, thanks to the combination of the black housing and smoke lens along with the full LED operation. Make no mistake about it here, guys, if you want dark or stealthy, then these LightBar taillights might just be the options for you. Now, these are going to deliver that very aggressive smoked out or murdered out look with the benefit of that modern LED lighting and bonus accent lighting. Now, in the land of LED taillights, I will admit things can get pretty wild or out of hand pretty quickly in regards to styling. And honestly, the LightBars here keep things pretty simple thanks to the diffused red LED working around the outline of the taillight itself, and that's going to illuminate whenever your parking lights or your headlights have been switched on. Now, outside of the DRL, you're also looking at the high-powered red LEDs. Those are going to handle things like your brake lights, running lights, and turn signals. Reverse lights, on the other hand, they will need to be transferred over from your stock taillights if you'd like, or the other option is possibly using this as an opportunity to upgrade to an LED bulb for a more consistent look. Moving into construction, and these LightBar taillights are going to pack a matte black ABS housing, which is then topped off with a lightly smoked polycarbonate lens. Now, those lenses have been sealed up nice and tight to prevent any water or moisture from entering the housings themselves and fogging things up over time. Now, the LightBar taillights will be sold as a pair for right around that low $400 price point, which certainly does put these in the premium category when we're talking about aftermarket taillights for your 7th gen. Now, you can certainly forego the LEDs altogether and get something that will still deliver that same stealthy look for a lot less dough, but if you want both the LEDs and that aggressive styling, be prepared to pay around the $300 to $400 price point on average. Installing a set of taillights on your F-150 is extremely simple and straightforward, as is the case here with the LightBar taillights, as they are a direct swap plug and play option. Because of that, the sight's going to stick to a pretty soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and call it about an hour or so to complete from start to finish. But now let's head out to the shop, check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
Tools required for this project will be an 8mm socket and a ratchet. Hi everyone, today we're installing a set of taillights on our F-150, but before we get started with that, let's watch a short video on how to uninstall the stock taillights, and we'll see you right back here afterwards.
All right guys, the first step of the uninstall, of course, is to grab an 8mm socket, drop your tailgate, and we're going to remove the 2 bolts holding on our taillight. Now they're on the inside of where the tailgate would sit, one at the top, one at the bottom. We're going to pull straight back, just like that. We're going to pinch and disconnect the harnesses connected to the factory bulbs. There's 2, top and bottom, and then your reverse light in the middle.
Since our new taillights already come with the LED taillights installed, we're not going to be reusing our old bulbs, but we do need to reuse the sockets. So let's go ahead and pull those out, and we'll plug them into the new light. Now we just pull the light bulb out, and we plug the new lights where the bulb used to go. Now you notice with the new lights, we do have a couple of resistor packs here with a red backing on each of them. Just pull that backing off, and it's a double-sided tape, and you can insert that into the cavity behind the tail light. Then you can go ahead and insert the tail light, put our screws in it, and tighten it down with our 8mm socket. Now we can reconnect our harnesses. And repeat that process for the other side. And that wraps up our review and install of our Light Bar LED taillights with the black housing and smoked lens for our 09 to 14 style side pickups. Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.